Okay, so the idea now is to talk about the GIF wrapping algorithm for finding the convex hull. As you can see here in the animation from Wikipedia, what is going on in that we want to find the convex hull of this set of points. Again, it should be the wrapping points of this set of points, which will create the convex polygon. Now, how does this algorithm works? As you can see, each point we are looking on the edges that we can create on every other point in the set, and what we are looking for uh, is the edge, the new edge that will be with the least, the smallest angle with respect to the previous point. For example, if we start here, you will see that we are taking this edge. Why? Because this angle will be smallest with this edge relative to every other edge that you can think of. Here again, if I look from this one to that one, I will have the smallest angle that we can create moving in the counterclockwise direction. Again, we are doing the algorithm using counterclockwise direction. So again, we are moving from one vertex to the other and create edges such that the angle that will be the smallest. So we are moving on all the other vertices that we didn't do anything with yet. We are going throughout all the vertices and we are checking whether this new edge will create the least polar angle. Now, as you can see, we are not checking for all the vertices in the set. We are just checking for the vertices in the convex hull because we are moving in such a way that we will connect the vertices only in the convex hull. So for each point in the convex hull, we will need to check the edges with all the other points in the set until we hit the first starting vertex, and then we'll stop. Therefore, the running time of the algorithm will be for each vertex of the convex hull, namely the running time depends on how many vertices are in the convex hull borders. So for each vertex in the convex hull, check with all the other vertices and the set which edge, by connecting those 2 points for each pairs of points, which edge will create the smaller angle when moving counterclockwise direction. So the running time of the algorithm will be depend on the number of points in the convex hull, let's call it h, and the number of points in the set, let's call it n. So the running time, as you can see here, is O of n of h. If they will put it here, it is O of n of h, where n is the number of total points in the set and h is the number of points in the convex hull. So it's output sensitive time complexity. It's output sensitive algorithm in meaning of time complexity. So to summarize, moving throughout the vertices which connect by being with the least polar angle with respect to the previous point and with respect to all other vertices until we are getting to the starting point where moving in the counterclockwise direction. This is the idea of the Kieft wrapping algorithm for finding the convex hull. Thank you very much. If there are any correction or mistakes, please tell me. Thanks for Wikipedia for the animation of GIF wrapping algorithm, and that's it.